Hopkinton at 8 a.m. It's only going to be in the 30s. Temperatures will come up into the 40s here, I think, by late morning. But the wind is going to be an issue all the while. You can see those wind particles showing you that easterly wind. I think it's sustained 20 to 30 with some higher gusts. And as we get to about 2:30, 3 o'clock this afternoon, you can see what happens here. The temperatures are creeping up, but the rain is getting heavier. It is between 2 and about 6 p.m. that we could see some downpours working on through, and those downpours could be accompanied by a rumble of thunder. So this is certainly going to be a challenge today for the runners. And out the door this morning, if you are up and getting ready to head out, want to caution you north and west of 495. See the pink showing up? That is where we have some freezing rain and some sleet, waking up to some of that has accumulated on the ground in parts of the higher elevations of Worcester County. There is a winter weather advisory up till about 8 to 10 a.m. lingering longest out through the higher elevations. So the icing concern's an issue north and west of town this morning, but it's a wind-driven rain really for the rest of the day with that threat for those downpours and thunder later on this afternoon. And after today, it does stay mainly cloudy and overall cooler than average here the rest of the week. But these temperatures this morning really tough. Mid-30s Boston, closer to 40 on the Cape, but north and west of town, it's in the lower 30s, and the winds are making it feel even colder. Wind chill in Worcester right now, 19. It feels like 25 in Boston. Those are the wind chills right now. These winds are sustained out of the east around 20, gusting in spots over 30 miles per hour. And again, that wind is with us all day long. You can see it here. Easterly winds sustained 20 to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures only slowly coming up into the 40s. We'll hit our highs late in the day, and we will be warmest here south of the Pike, but it's a late day high in Boston, up around 50 degrees. What's going to be happening here is that warmth is going to surge with our area of low pressure as the winds shift more out of the southeast late in the day, and that's going to bring the heavier rain. So things are light right now, but that rain gets heavier, and we could see 1 to 2 inches of rainfall with some locally heavier amounts. So some downpours and obviously some big puddles out there as well. So let me step you through the timeline. The icing concern is gone by late morning, but as we get into the midday hours, here comes that heavier rain, and there is that plume of real heavy downpours by about 2 o'clock this afternoon, shifting on through. Once we get past about 6 o'clock tonight, it is shifting offshore and things will dry out this evening. The rain will taper off overnight. The winds diminish as well. We stay in the 30s to the lower 40s. And tomorrow is a mostly cloudy day. Could be a few pop-up showers, but nothing terribly heavy as temperatures come up over 50 degrees. The upper level energy associated with this storm does linger through the day tomorrow, but I do think the first part of the day is dry. If we get anything, it's going to be these pop-up type showers that come in during the afternoon hours into the evening, and then they will diminish overnight. And Wednesday could be our best day this week with mainly dry conditions, temperatures in the mid-50s. Another round comes Thursday into Friday morning, and right now it does look nice by next weekend, but that is a long way off on this Monday morning. Antoinette?